The video that you are about to watch is rated PG-13. All viewers under 13 years old are advised to watch with parental guidance. This video is rated safe to watch for children aged 13 and above. Enjoy the video.
Greetings ladies and gentlemen, YouTube, this is Kevin, and today I proudly present to you another episode from Road to O Levels. Nothing that you see in this series is scripted. Nothing is pre-planned, nothing is predetermined, everything is happening as it is. And it depicts my life academic journey from now all the way O Levels 2018 and beyond.
Okay guys, so today I'm going to be showing you what's inside my pencil case for the O-level examination. So for the O-levels, for Singapore at least, we are required to use a transparent pencil case. That means it cannot be opaque, it cannot be translucent. You have to be able to see through it clearly so you can see the contents that are inside the pencil case. If not, you won't be allowed to take the exam. So luckily my school's bookstore sells this transparent pencil case. It's very convenient, and yeah, that's one thing I'm thankful for. So for the O-levels examination, you want to have as few stuff in your pencil case as possible because you do not want to have to sift through it during the exam to take out whatever you need. So this is not everything that I'm bringing for the exam. I'm taking out some stuff and I'm putting in some stuff. So yeah, let's begin. Firstly, I have to take out my correction tape. For the O-level exam, we are not allowed to use correction tapes because you know, it's considered cheating. So I'm taking this out. And you also need calculators for papers that involve math. I have about 7 calculators at home, but a lot of them get worn out easily. Like the buttons get worn off easily. I bought 2 new calculators today, fresh, brand new calculators. So I'm going to be opening them right now. Actually, I already opened one. This is the open one. I'm gonna open this one. Alright. Wait, how do I open it? I remember in secondary 1 I lost my calculator because I left my pencil case in the computer lab, so then the entire pencil case was gone. I couldn't even find it in lost and found, so yeah, I had to buy a new calculator. So that began a new generation of families of calculators. Okay, so these are the airbags, the mini air holes in here. So just have to open this, and then this is the newborn calculator. This is my newborn calculator. Welcome to the family. Let's just pop these air holes first. It's always so satisfying. So now I have to put my name on this calculator because I do not want it to go unlabeled. Alright. I have to make sure it's horizontal. So I'm very particular about these things. It's very difficult to do it with one hand only. Please let this be horizontal. It's not horizontal. But can I change it still? No, I can't. Never mind. Does this look horizontal to you? No, right? Okay, so these are my 2 calculators I'm going to use for my O-level exams. They are both full battery, fully charged, and alright, so we are pretty much all set in terms of calculators. Alright, so let's put them in. And this stapler here, it does not work. So I'm going to take it out. And now I need to sharpen all my pencils. I need like 4 pencils for the exam. I don't need this blue marker, so I'm taking it out. Oh, and this blue pen, our school gave it to us on the last day. It's really nice of them. Yeah. This stapler, it actually works. I don't really need a stapler for the O-levels exam, but I'm just gonna keep it anyway in case I do need it. As you can see, my pencil case is really dirty. That's because my sharpener thing kind of broke. So all the stuff ended up here. And this pen, it's not even working. I'm just gonna take it out anyway. What are these 2 pens doing here anyway? Alright, so now I'm going to sharpen my pencils for the exam. I need about 4 pencils and 4 pens. Oh, this thing actually slurs ink. As you can see, it's very dirty here. Alright, I'm gonna be sharpening. I'm gonna be refilling my pens. I'm gonna be recharging my pens and sharpening my pencils now. Guys, so these are all my beheaded pens. I'm gonna put refills inside them now. Wait, where are they? Oh yeah, here. Yeah, I bought like 10 of these refills last week to last me through the exams. So let's start. Still don't know how to open these. Oh yes. Alright. Let's see how fast we can accomplish this. Oops. That's correct. Yep. Alright. Done with the first one. For this pen there used to be a handle here, but my friend pulled my pen and decided to break it, so yeah, it's kind of gone now. Now time to sharpen my pencils. I've got a nice small sharpener in here, so this will be a great help if I need help during the exam. Let's start off with this. Okay. This pencil looks ready. It's really kind of overwhelming to be sharpening these pencils now, because I know that these pencils are the things that I'm going to be writing with for this exam. Oh my gosh. It's my last pencil. Oh shit. Okay. This pencil is literally nothing. Alright, that's that. Okay, last but not least, we need a clean eraser. All my erasers are so dirty. My goodness. I'm just going to use one of these. I'm going to use this expensive eraser that I got. So I think I'm going to use 2 of these for the exam. Yeah, just these 2. Guys, these are the 2 erasers that I'm going to be using for my O-levels examination. This will last me through the next month. They used to have these covers on, but I'm going to throw them away because I don't think we're allowed to bring in any of these things to the exam. So yeah, better to be safe than sorry. Should I clean my pencil case? It looks really bad. I washed it with water before my examination, but it still didn't work. There's still lots of stuff here. I might need a new ruler. These rulers are getting dirty. How's this one? Alright, so I think this ruler is okay. Alright, so I think I'm pretty much fine. Yeah, pretty much fine. Yeah, that's pretty much all I'm gonna bring for the O-levels exam. Maybe I should bring a backup. I should bring a backup refill just in case. Yeah, okay, so yeah, that's all. This is the pencil case that's going to be lasting me through the next 1 month. I've got everything I need pretty much. Yeah. Yep, I've got pretty much everything I need for the exams. And this is the pencil case that's going to be lasting me through the next 1 month, so yeah. Hope this does well. And yeah. That's the main thing. I'll be bringing some long rulers and other big stationeries which I can't fit into this pencil case, so yeah. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, all the best to those taking their O-levels this year, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Till then, see you.